How's it, Laurie?
How's it, Eleanor?
Yeah, what is this again now?
Well, the JQ J5 has arrived in the driveway.
Okay.
And yeah, we're going to be doing this test on this for the next week. So we're just going to do a quick opening video. Of course, one of the distinctive things on this is the waterfall grill.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's got this waterfall themed grill.
Okay.
Nice LED.
Very neat the way they
headlamps.
wrap round as well.
I think this one has got 18-inch alloys.
It's the top spec Inferno version, so 18-inch alloys. Yeah.
Not a lot of contrast on this one. It's blue, but it has got silver roof rails.
Silver there, yeah.
And it has got a panoramic roof. I nearly said view again, mate.
I know you did. Auto locking and unlocking, which is a little bit sensitive.
So I've just walked to the car. I've got the key in the pocket.
Okay.
Yeah, let's have a look at the. Actually, got quite a bit of room here, Al.
Yeah, no, that's not bad in the back seat.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, yeah,
Nice seats.
And of course, being the top, it's got leather, whether genuine or faux doesn't make any difference.
I think it's faux. It's got that feel. But look at the the screen on this.
Okay, baby. Well, I mean, here we go again with these
and
giant
lovely
screens.
screen, nice resolution as usual.
Okay.
Nice steering wheel.
Yeah.
I like that steering wheel.
Okay. What's it got under the bonnet, Laurie?
It's got a 1.5 litre turbo.
Yeah.
And pushing out 115 kilowatts.
Yeah. 230 Newton.
230 Newton.
And it's a CVT automatic.
Yeah. So the CVTs.
Yeah.
You know, it's obviously subjective, but you know what? Normally it's very good for fuel consumption.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, I think that looks-wise, it looks pretty good.
You know, it looks very much like
I like this LED.
A bigger, very upmarket car we're not going to mention.
I like this LED signature. I think this lights up, eh?
Yeah.
So, yeah, you've actually had it over the past week or so, and I mean, it lights up.
There you go.
Nice.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, nice signature when it unlocks. Yeah. And again, top spec look.
Yeah.
The power tailgate.
But anyway, we're going to have it for a couple of days. So we'll
check it out.
Another video later.
Laurie and Elle, out.